Guiterrez's attorney Randy Cunliffe wants the prosecutor Bill Bischoff to become a witness in the case, which would automatically disqualify Bischoff from prosecuting it. In court, Cunliffe argued that documents are missing from the Guiterrez retirement fund file, and Cunliffe wants to put Bischoff on the stand to ask him what Bischoff knows about where they went.
Then there was testimony that there were documents missing from the file. So the question really is, what was missing, and is that how they based their case upon the fact that maybe relevant documents were no longer there because somebody who had it outside of the retirement fund, lost them or misplaced them or took them.
Bischoff, who could not speak for himself on the motion, was represented by Assistant Attorney General Suzanne Harrigan. She argued that the thrust of Guiterrez's motion was that someone took documents out of the file to further the prosecution, and there is nothing, she said, to substantiate that. Judge Richard Benson asked both sides to try and agree on a stipulation to the facts surrounding the missing documents and file it by noon next Friday. Separately, attorney Ricardo Bordallo, representing former Retirement Fund Director John Rios, asked the court for some more time to review the testimony of former Retirement Fund employee Lou Taitno in the Gil Shinohara trial. Bordallo argued that Taitno's testimony in the Shinohara trial was different from the testimony she gave to the grand jury that indicted Rios and Guiterrez.
The grand jury testimony that provides the evidence for that indictment to proceed may be questioned, and it may be insufficient if we can prove that the primary witness in that case,
Ms. Taitno.
That's correct. In that indictment now provided subsequent testimony in trial that is completely inconsistent. So that's basically the grounds that we're potentially looking at filing an additional motion to dismiss.
Bischoff, who was able to respond for himself on this motion, challenged it.
As the judge was questioning the defense lawyer about whether he already has precedent, some kind of authority that would permit that kind of a motion even to be made, and he was indicating they've already researched it and they've already found the authority, and I kind of doubt it.
The trial of the former retirement chief and the former governor, who is running for re-election, is scheduled to start in May. But at this rate, it may not. Kevin Kerrigan, PNC News.